Have you ever heard about the Spain train accident where two trains collided after one train derailed because the rail track was damaged? That's why joining railway tracks perfectly is super important, because even a tiny mistake can cause a huge disaster. So how do workers actually connect two massive steel tracks? First, mechanics carefully line up both rail ends so they are at the exact same height, because even a small gap can be dangerous. Then clay molds are placed around the joint and sealed tightly with extra clay added on the sides to stop any metal from leaking out. Next, a furnace is brought in and small iron pieces are heated using oxyacetylene gas welding, where oxygen and acetylene mix to create an extremely hot flame. A metal furnace is placed over the joint and the melted metal flows into the clay mold, filling the gap between the tracks. Once the metal cools slightly, the furnace is removed and workers clean the clay using a metal rod. After that, a hydraulic machine presses the joint to make sure the molten metal settles perfectly and becomes rock solid. Finally, the clay molds are broken away and a grinder smooths the surface so the train wheels don't feel a bump. This careful process is what keeps trains running safely and prevents deadly accidents like the one in Spain.